First, a huge thank you to President Moorhead and the University of Georgia. I mean, that was really the foundational basis for my success. And I want to give a heartfelt thank you to Dean Ayers, a fellow accountant, for all the support for the Terry College of Business, the Alumni Board, the entire alumni staff at Terry, Kathy, Natalie, Margaret, Andrea, Christine. Y'all, there are so many people that just make a difference with Terry, and I appreciate all of you. Terry gave me some great opportunities while I was at Georgia, and it really led me to my career in public accounting and my lifelong connections. I had great professors, I had a first-class education, and the recruiting process and everything they prepare you for get you ready to do the adulting in the real world, and Terry made that happen. So I'm forever grateful to my beginnings at Terry. I'm honored to share this evening with my friend Howard and his family, and also the Godfreys, and I admire all that you have accomplished. And there's many others who have received this award in the past that I've looked up to and also had the benefit of mentoring from. So one of my retirement goals was to engage more with Terry and UGA, and I've been able to do that with the Dean's Advisory Council, the Terry Women's Initiative, coming on campus, speaking to students, informal coffee chats. I love the UGA Professional Women's Conference. It's one of my favorite events. And so thanks to the Terry alumni team for getting me back involved, keeping me involved, and I look forward to staying plugged in. So coming out of Terry, I was excited to have several offers to go into public accounting, and E&Y was my favorite. It was the perfect fit for me. I love the culture, the training, the experience was just invaluable. And there were so many Terry and Toll alumni that were instrumental in my recruiting, my decision-making, and honestly instrumental in my success of my career at EY and also at Genuine Parts. So a special thank you to John Schrodenbach. Your comments in the video were just great. John received this award a few years ago, and I sat here in the audience, and I was just in awe of the award, in awe of what he had done. And John is an amazing family man and servant leader, but John has given back to the University of Georgia and Terry, and he inspires others to do the same. Similar to Carter and many other EY people, Jason, Michael, Randy, Glenn, it's great to have all of you here. I mean, the lifelong connections at EY and the way that they give back to the community is so impactful. So I'm very appreciative of the EY team. So also having the support here of some of my other boards and having the Blue Links family here, and great to have your support. Also Oxford and some of the connections I've had with the Boy Scouts and the board I'm on, so appreciative of their support. So E&Y led me to my only other job, which was Genuine Parts Company, and I was so fortunate to find an equally rewarding culture. And I tell everyone, I mean, I was there for 30 years, and what I miss most, and I retired a couple years ago, what I miss most about Genuine Parts is the people. Not the work, because we worked hard, but I miss the people. But what I'm loving most about retirement is more time to connect with people. And I think that's so important. So it's been an honor and amazing being a part of a company like Genuine Parts, who treats people so well, strong track record of success. You heard the history. Paul Donahue, who was in the video, amazing leadership, so appreciative of all he's done. Our friendship, our shared love of Braves baseball. Jerry Nix, many of you know him. He took a chance on me over 30 years ago, been a huge mentor of mine. And now instead of catching up at the office as we used to every day, we hang out at the Braves home games. So, and the GPC Board of Directors has been so supportive of me and very appreciative of the GPC board. So at Genuine Parts, again, a great culture. I've got so many of my Genuine Parts friends here, and you're really part of my family. And we always said we worked hard, but we did life together, so we celebrated. At Genuine Parts, you do birthdays, you do anniversaries, you do funerals, you do celebrations like this, and they truly care about people, and I'm appreciative of my Genuine Parts family. So there's a few others here to thank, and I couldn't be more appreciative to have several dear friends and neighbors here, some of who are UGA alum. And we all know it takes a village to raise a family, and surrounding yourself with friends is so important. We spent time together in the dugouts, on the sidelines, tailgating, traveling, walking, hanging out, having coffee, but I couldn't be more grateful to have my friends here with me to celebrate tonight, and your presence means a lot. So now my family, as many of you have probably heard or seen, I have a lot of family members here, and Mike and I are very blessed to have our parents here. So my parents, John and Suzanne, huge help to us while we were both working and had our careers, and a big inspiration to me, and I was lucky to inherit a lot of their great qualities, and now I'm enjoying spending more time with them, and I'll always be appreciative for what they've taught me and being able to spend more time with them. Also blessed to have Mike's mom here with us, several of my brothers, sister-in-laws, and some people that couldn't be with us. UGA has been in my family for a long time, from father-in-law to brothers to sister-in-law, nieces and nephews. And I have a few other future Bulldog, hopefully nieces and nephews that are coming along. So also, I'm grateful to have my 3 kids here, David, Jennifer, and Heather. You guys have always been so supportive of me. They do remind me that mom has people that do everything for her, so they make her look really good. And so they were always quick to remind me of that. But it means a lot to have you all here, and I appreciate your support. And lastly, my husband, Mike, my best friend and confidant, he's been so supportive of me over the years and always gives me good advice. We're enjoying our retired life together, which is a lot more travel and hiking and Braves baseball games. I love you and thank you. And last of all, I just want to leave you with what I've been thrilled to do since I retired is spending more time with family, friends, and honestly investing in talent and giving back. We can all make a difference. There's so many connections, and these opportunities come from someone you know or met. And a lot of these ties go back to UGA or to Terry or to Alumni or the accounting world or corporate finance or Atlanta companies, the community. But take the time to meet someone for lunch or coffee or a walk and really help open the doors for people, mentor, and continue to invest in talent and develop our current and future leaders. And that's what Terry does, and I want to thank you for being here, and more importantly, thank you for your impact on UGA and the Terry College of Business.